TechEmpire presents the top 5 best flexibility straps in this year. These are handpicked based on the prices, customer reviews, and our personal opinion. If you want updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. GAEM Essentials Yoga Block 2-Pack and Yoga Strap Set, Black. Functional and fashionable, sold as a set and available in a variety of colors, these props are essential for all levels and styles of yoga and make the perfect gift for any yogi. These durable, lightweight and supportive non-slip foam blocks provide the stability needed for optimal alignment and extension for deeper poses. Used under hands, feet or your seat, these blocks will ensure proper alignment to safely support and modify poses to suit your level of flexibility. Expand your range and extend your reach, achieve more challenging positions and sustain poses for longer periods of time, while allowing your shoulders to relax with this 8-foot yoga strap. Easy release D-ring metal buckle holds strap securely in place. If you feel tight, don't risk injury. Grab a block and strap, and enjoy your yoga session with confidence. Features: stability plus balance. Yoga blocks provide the stability and balance needed in your practice to help with optimal alignment, deeper poses, and increased strength. Durable supportive foam. These lightweight and supportive foam blocks are constructed of a durable foam with a non-slip surface and beveled edges for easy gripping. Modify plus align. Use under your hands, feet or seat, meditation, to ensure the proper alignment needed in order to safely support and modify poses to suit your level of flexibility. If you feel tight, don't risk injury and grab a block or two. Extend plus deepen stretches. Blocks and straps enable you to extend, support and deepen your stretches, while also working to increase range of motion. Easy release D-ring metal buckle holds 8-foot strap securely in place, allowing your shoulders to relax. Care info. Spot clean with mild detergent towel or air dry. Block dimensions: 9 inches WX 6 inches HX 4 inches D/weight, 4/6 ounce. Strap dimensions: 8 feet. Number 2. Block Dance Ballet/Point Shoe Professional Stitch and Sewing Kit. Point dancer must have. Professional point shoe kit contains stretch ribbon, covert elastic, needle, and thread for stitching. Features: convenient and compact. Complete sewing kit. Ready for a quick fix emergency or sewing on your ribbons and elastic. Comes with a helpful guide. Includes 2 yards of stretch ribbon, 20 inches of covert elastic, 1 spool of heavy thread, 2 safety pins, 2 heavy needles, and a seam ripper. Number 3. Capezio Womens 459 Suede Sole Junior Footlight Character Shoe. Capezio's Junior Footlight shoe is perfect for any performance, whether it's character or theatrical. The shoe features a traditional buckle closure for custom fitting and a shapely, mid-cut heel that's just the right height. The suede sole makes it easier to glide across the floor. Features: leather character shoe featuring slender buckle strap with elasticized inset and shapely mid-height heel. Brushed micropoly lining. Cushioned insole for shock absorption. Minimal shank board for added support and flexibility. Number 4. Tumbletrack Fly Right Cheer Stunting Trainer. If you want your cheerleader to be able to safely practice on the most realistic piece of cheer stunting equipment, then look no further than the Fly Right. Balance is the key to a strong, safe stunt. Cheerleaders and coaches love the realistic movement the flyer experiences as he or she trains on the patented design which uses springs. Features: white heavy checkmark, the real feel. The most realistic and challenging stunt platform on the market. Each Fly Right platform is equipped with 2 rigid, patented springs. When in use, you will be able to feel the springs move, encouraging you to keep a tight body. White heavy checkmark, durable design. Unlike many competitors, we don't use plastic as the main component in our Fly Right design. The base, upright, and platform are all constructed from durable powder-coated steel. White heavy checkmark, safety first. The top of the platform is covered with a textured rubber material to provide some additional grip for the athlete. The edge of the base is covered in a smooth and soft rubber material to ensure that there are no exposed edges. White heavy checkmark, adjustable height. Another awesome feature of the Tumbletrack Fly Right stunting stand is that the platform height can be adjusted. Each Fly Right has 3 height adjustments, 12 in /15 in /18 in, allowing for you to practice at many different levels. White heavy checkmark, we know cheer. When you purchase a product from Tumbletrack, you know that you're getting a true cheerleading product. Coaches, former athletes, and industry experts make up the R staff, ensuring you get the best product for your athlete. Number 5. GAM Restore Strength and Flexibility Kit. Improve your strength and flexibility gradually by using the GAM Restore Strength and Flexibility Kit, which features 3 resistance bands ranging from light, medium, and heavy. Whether you are coming back from an injury or want to increase strength gradually, this kit is the perfect way to recondition and get in shape. Exercise guide included to help guide you through the transition from light to heavy. Features: contains 3 resistance bands, light, medium, and heavy. Color-coded bands for easy resistance identification. Improves flexibility and range of motion. Helps recondition and sculpt muscles. Includes exercise guide.